the Vicseed Sunshade and Center Console Organizer for the Tesla Model Y. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at some Tesla Model Y accessories by Vicseed. We're going to look at the car sunshade and the center console organizer. Okay, first up is the console organizer. This will fit Tesla Model 3, Model Y, model year 2021 to current. So taking a look at the organizer, you can see it here, just a square shape with two compartments, and then you get these silicone padding. So I'll install these momentarily so we can see how it fits. Just to go over some specs of the sunshade, this will fit model years 2021 through 2023 for the Tesla Model Y. It has a multi-layer design, heat blocking, and sag-free, and can insulate over 90% of the heat. It's a foldable design with a metal frame, and it comes with a storage case. Now looking at the sunshade, it comes with looks like 12 of the clips, and the sunshade itself in a nice storage case. So removing it from the case, it is two pieces. It's in a color white. Basically you have the reflective, one second here, let me unfold it. Okay, there we go. So the bottom, it's got the white color, and then the top you have the reflective surface. And then folding it, just like any normal sunshade, you just want to twist to break it down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and then we'll go from there, and I can show you how it looks. Okay, now I have the center console organizer. So basically, you have the Model Y center console here. You just want to open it and then insert the tray, and it just fits nicely in there. And you can even slide it forward if you want to access the lower compartment. There is a hole there, so if you want to bring up some of the cables to charge your devices, it will fit right there. I guess you can have it either way, large side that way, and the smaller compartment this way. So pretty nice. Again, this is more of a smoke color, and I think it goes well. So you'll be able to utilize this compartment a lot better. Okay, so that's the Vicseed center console organizer. Okay, now looking at the Vicseed Sunshade, it took no longer than 5 minutes to install, very easy. A couple things to keep in mind. If you look at the sunshade, there is a label on the front. It will say rear or front, so you know which one to use. And then you have the tabs. So basically you want to use 3 tabs for each of the shade. So I have one here in the center, another one here in the rear for both of the shades. And what I've noticed is you want to put it towards the back here. You'll have more clearance for the tab. If you try to put it in the middle, you're gonna have an issue because it's not gonna fit. So I found that there's more clearance as you make your way towards the middle here. So this is the front shade, and it complements the interior pretty nice. The white, it's just a little off-white compared to the gray upholstery, but I think it matches well. I don't see any gaps, and the fit is pretty good. All right, now I'm at the rear, looking at the rear section. Again, same as the front. You have the label here that will say rear, so you won't put the wrong one in the wrong side. Put the tab in the middle of the back, and then the other tabs on the side. Again, same concept. You want to put the tabs towards the end here, you'll get more clearance. And then where it meets the other one, you kind of just want to line it up so there's no gap. I think it's pretty well lined up and it's a good fit. No gaps, as you can see, and the color matches the car pretty well. As far as any sagging, you know, it's pretty flush. You don't lose any headroom. As you can see, I'm sitting up straight, and you know, there's still a lot of space. So this is the Vicseed Sunshade and the Vicseed Center Console Organizer. I would definitely recommend, you know, a sunshade if you're really sensitive to the heat. That's one of the things I struggled when I had my Model 3. You just feel the sun on those hot days, and it can be exhausting. So some type of sunshade. I think this one is pretty good. It has the reflective properties on top, and you know, it pretty much blocks everything out. I'll definitely do an update to see how it does on sunny days. Right now it's pretty cloudy on my location, but definitely an update will be coming as far as how it handles the heat. But so far, installation is easy, and it looks good. So that's my review of the Vicseed products for your Tesla Model Y.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.